Hi, I'm Sean Mulligan, broker of record of ARC Real Estate. I wanted to share some important information on the housing market with you. The Mortgage Bankers Association, or MBA, has just released its 2025 market forecast, and it points to promising growth in mortgage originations. Let's take a look at what this means for both buyers and sellers in the coming year. For buyers, the outlook brings good news. First, stable and lower mortgage rates. The MBA projects mortgage rates will hover around 6%, potentially dropping to 5.9% by the end of 2025. This stability should make it easier for buyers to plan their finances and afford more home for their budget. Secondly, more inventory. As mortgage rates stabilize, more homeowners may feel comfortable listing their homes, increasing options for buyers and helping to balance pricing pressures in the market. Finally, a boost in new construction. The MBA reports an increase in applications for newly built homes. This is particularly beneficial for first-time buyers who can explore these options amid limited supply for starter homes. For sellers, there's also positive trends. Strong buyer demand is expected to continue, driven by younger buyers entering their prime homeownership years. Even with a slight economic slowdown, demand should remain steady, supporting a healthy flow of buyers in 2025. A competitive spring market. The MBA is optimistic about spring 2025. With mortgage rates holding steady and buyer interest strong, spring could be the perfect time to list your home, as motivated buyers are willing to act. And finally, lenders are seeing a rise in production profitability, which allows them to offer competitive rates and terms, potentially driving up buyer interest and supporting sellers in closing solid deals. Market conditions for both buyers and sellers. There's a few overreaching market conditions that both buyers and sellers should keep in mind. Economic adjustments. The MBA forecasts a slight economic slowdown with a gradual increase in the unemployment rate. This may influence buyer purchasing power and seller pricing strategies. Inflation and homeownership cost. Inflation is expected to decrease towards the Fed's 2% target at the end of 2025, which could ease overall costs. However, rising property taxes and insurance rates may add to long-term homeownership expenses. In summary, the 2025 outlook presents favorable conditions for both buyers and sellers. With stable rates, increased inventory, and sustained demand, now may be the ideal time to plan your next move in the real estate market. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about how this forecast could impact your real estate goals. I'm here to guide you through the best strategy for 2025.